I just discovered something creating an unfair competitive advantage in business right now. Companies using AI automation tools are saving 10 to 20 hours per employee every single week. That's not a projection for the future. That's happening today in 2026. Microsoft found that teams using AI-enabled tools reported a 29% increase in productivity with faster decision-making and dramatically reduced time on repetitive tasks. But here's what shocked me most. The companies dominating their industries aren't using some secret expensive technology. They're using tools that cost less than $100 per month, many with free versions available right now. The competitive gap isn't about who has access to AI, it's about who actually implements it strategically. And from what I've seen, most businesses are leaving this advantage on the table because they don't know where to start. Let me show you exactly which tools are creating this productivity revolution and how you can start using them today. Welcome to Bold Bucks Official. I'm here to reveal the technologies and strategies that separate companies thriving in the AI era from those falling behind. If you want to understand practical AI implementation that delivers real results, subscribe now. This video will show you the specific tools creating 10 to 20-hour weekly productivity gains, how small teams are operating like much larger organizations, and which AI applications you should prioritize first. Let me start with what I learned about why 2026 is the turning point for AI productivity. AI is no longer experimental. It's become table stakes for competitive businesses. Sam Altman from OpenAI said it perfectly. Just like every software company now has a mobile app without calling themselves a mobile company, soon every business will have AI integrated without making it their identity. Gartner predicts that by the end of 2020, 75% of organizations will face measurable productivity loss if they don't address AI integration. That's not a gentle warning. That's a competitive cliff edge. McKinsey reports that companies scaling AI see 3 times higher total shareholder returns. The cost of delay compounds quickly because while you're planning to implement AI next quarter, your competitors are already optimizing workflows you're still doing manually. Here's what fascinated me when I started researching which specific tools are creating the biggest impact. Meeting automation tools like Fireflies AI and Spinach AI are saving teams 5 to 10 hours weekly just on meeting-related tasks. These tools automatically join your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls, transcribe everything said, identify action items, and send summaries to the right people. I watched a sales team cut their post-meeting admin work from 2 hours daily to 15 minutes by implementing Fireflies AI. That's 9 hours gained back every single week per salesperson, which they now spend actually selling instead of documenting conversations. Content creation tools like ChatGPT Enterprise, Notion, and Microsoft Copilot are transforming how teams produce documents, presentations, and communications. Instead of starting from blank pages, teams now start with AI-generated drafts they refine and personalize. Marketing teams that used to spend 3 days creating campaign content now produce the same quality in 6 hours using AI assistants. Design automation through tools like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly has collapsed timelines for visual content. Product teams that spent weeks on design exploration now test dozens of concepts in hours. What I found most interesting is that these tools don't replace designers. They amplify their productivity by handling the repetitive exploration work. Data analysis platforms like ThoughtSpot are giving non-technical teams access to insights that previously required data science expertise. Instead of waiting days for analysts to build reports, business managers now ask questions in plain English and receive visualized answers immediately. Customer relationship management automation through HubSpot's AI suite has transformed how sales teams operate. The AI doesn't just organize contacts, it tells you what to do with them, which leads to prioritize when to follow up, what messaging to use. Now let me talk about workflow automation platforms, because this is where small teams achieve enterprise-level AI efficiency. Tools like Zapier, Make, and NA10 let you connect different applications and automate entire processes without writing code. I watched a 3-person startup automate their customer onboarding workflow that used to require 12 manual steps across 5 different applications. What used to take an employee 2 hours per new customer now happens instantly and perfectly every single time. Voice and audio tools like 11 Labs are creating entirely new possibilities for content production. Companies are now producing podcast-quality audio content, creating multilingual versions of materials, and building audio experiences at scales that would have required voice actor teams previously. Here's what I learned about implementation strategy. Because having access to tools means nothing if you don't use them correctly. The companies seeing 10 to 20-hour productivity gains aren't implementing every AI tool simultaneously. They're following a strategic sequence that starts with quick wins and builds toward transformation. First, they identify the highest volume, repetitive tasks where automation delivers immediate, obvious value. Meeting notes, email responses, data entry. These tasks happen daily and consume significant time. Second, they focus on workflows that involve multiple people or systems where coordination overhead is highest. Third, they address creative and analytical tasks where AI assistance accelerates human expertise rather than replacing it. Fourth, they build custom workflows that connect multiple AI tools and existing systems into seamless processes. Let me share what I discovered about the actual costs, because I know you're wondering if this requires massive budgets. ChatGPT Enterprise costs about $60 per user monthly, but delivers productivity gains worth thousands. Notion AI adds $10 per user monthly to existing Notion subscriptions. Fireflies AI starts at free for basic features and scales to professional plans at $39 monthly. Zapier offers functional free tiers and professional plans starting around $20 monthly. The return on investment is obvious. When one tool saves 5 hours weekly at an employee cost of $50 per hour, that's $1,000 monthly in reclaimed productivity for a $20 to $60 investment. But here's what concerns me about businesses not implementing AI productivity tools. PwC found that while 60% of companies report AI boosts ROI and efficiency, nearly half struggle to turn AI principles into operational processes. The biggest barriers aren't technical, they're cultural and strategic. Teams resist changing familiar workflows even when new approaches are clearly better. Leaders struggle to prioritize which AI investments matter most amid overwhelming options. Here's my framework for successful AI productivity implementation based on watching companies that actually achieve the 10 to 20-hour gains. Start with education before tools. Invest time helping your team understand what AI can and cannot do. Identify 3 to 5 highest-paying workflows in your organization. Test tools systematically rather than buying everything at once. Run small pilots, measure results, gather feedback. Create AI champions within teams who become local experts and help colleagues adopt new. Build feedback loops where teams regularly discuss what's working and what needs adjustment. And critically, measure actual productivity gains rather than assuming tools deliver value. Let me talk about which roles and industries are seeing the most dramatic productivity improvements. Knowledge workers, people who primarily work with information rather than physical products, benefit most immediately. Writers, analysts, consultants, marketers, salespeople, these roles have seen the most measurable gains. Small and medium businesses are experiencing disproportionate benefits because AI lets them compete with larger organizations. A 5-person marketing agency using AI automation can now handle client volume that previously required 15 people. This democratization of capability is reshaping competitive dynamics across industries. Here's what I believe about the productivity future in 2026 and beyond. The companies dominating their markets won't be those with the most employees. They'll be those who most effectively augment human expertise with AI capabilities. We're moving toward a world where a small team with the right AI tools outperforms large teams using traditional methods. The opportunity is that implementing AI productivity tools has never been more accessible or affordable. The risk is that competitors already implementing these tools are building advantages that compound weekly. Every week you delay is another week your competition gains 10 to 20 hours of productivity edge. My advice is to start immediately, but start strategically. Don't try to implement every AI tool at once. Choose one high-impact area, implement one well-tested tool, measure the results, and build from there. The companies seeing transformative results from AI didn't achieve it overnight. They achieved it through consistent, systematic implementation. But they started. And starting is what separates those who benefit from AI productivity from those who just talk about it. If you found this analysis valuable, like this video to help other business leaders discover practical AI implementation strategies. Subscribe to Bold Bucks Official for insights on technologies and frameworks that create competitive advantages. Comment below, which AI productivity tool are you most excited to try first? Sharing implementation experiences helps all of us learn what works in real-world business operations.